Out in the vast silence of space, there are moments that force us to question everything we think we know. And 3I Atlas is one of them. A strange object that shines like a star, yet moves like a ship. It speeds up, slows down, and changes direction in ways no natural star ever could, almost as if it has a destination or a mission. So let's imagine for a moment, what if 3I Atlas is actually a spacecraft? What if an ancient civilization, far older than humanity, has been traveling for millions of years and is now approaching its final stop? In this video, we explore the possibilities behind 3I Atlas, why scientists are so puzzled, and what its journey might mean for all of us. If you're ready, let's take a step into the unknown together. When astronomers first spotted 3I Atlas, they expected just another distant star. But the more they looked, the stranger it became. Its brightness shifted in unnatural patterns, and its movement didn't match any known celestial object. Some called it coincidence. Others called it impossible. And yet, 3I Atlas continued drifting toward us, as if it had a destination. At first, scientists blamed errors in the data, but the numbers repeated again and again. 3I Atlas was accelerating, then slowing down, then turning, movements no star should make. It didn't drift, it maneuvered. Suddenly, the universe felt less empty. If this was natural, it was the rarest behavior ever recorded. If it wasn't, then someone designed it. Then the energy readings arrived, structured, repeating patterns, almost like a heartbeat. Stars don't pulse with mathematical precision, but machines do. If 3I Atlas is artificial, it might be the largest spaceship ever conceived, powered by technology older than humanity itself. Imagine entering a structure the size of a star. Its interior wouldn't be metal corridors. It would be ecosystems, energy chambers, artificial gravity rings, entire civilizations hidden behind glowing plasma walls. A ship like this doesn't travel through space. It carries its own universe. Every action 3I Atlas takes feels deliberate. It doesn't wander, it seeks. Maybe it's fleeing a dying galaxy. Maybe it's searching for new energy. Or maybe, the most unsettling idea, it's heading toward someone or something, and we might be in its path. If 3I Atlas is controlled, then somewhere inside it exists intelligence, ancient, powerful, and traveling for longer than our species has existed. First contact may not come from a message, but from its shadow falling across our sky. As 3I Atlas rolls through space, edging closer to our system, one truth becomes unavoidable. This isn't just a cosmic visitor. It's a revelation, a test, maybe even a warning. Whether we're ready or not, the universe is about to answer a question humanity has whispered for centuries. Are we alone?